The first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your unit on and let it warm up for about a minute, and it's going to get to the weight menu. As soon as it's done warming up, what you're going to do is turn the scale back off, and then you're going to press the 0 button and then turn it back on at the same time. Okay, and this is going to count down and bring us to the calibration menu. Just another second. And there we go. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to select our unit of measure. Now you can see this arrow is pointing at the kilograms right now. Now to change the unit of measure, you press the sample unit button, it goes to pounds, and we're going to use kilograms to calibrate, so we're going to go back to kilograms. Now the next thing you do is you check to make sure it's stabilized, and then you're going to press the 0 button. Okay, and once this starts flashing just the 0 here, then you're going to select how many units of measure you're going to use. And we're going to use 2 kilograms to calibrate, so I'm going to press 2. Okay, wait for the stabilization arrow again, and then I'm going to press 2 kilograms of test weights onto the platform. Okay, and once the stabilization arrow is on, we're going to press 0 again. Wait for a line of zeros right there. And now the scale is calibrated. And all you need to do is turn it off, and the settings are saved.